Hi, myself Bhupati, working as lead engineer in DEP. My on-site experience has been very valuable, giving me a real-time project exposure and real responsibility. DEP created a strong platform in my career growth, which is helped me to get a permanent role in global OEM. The trust, guidance, and support I received, which made a big difference in my professional growth. Grateful to be a part of DEP. I would recommend to anyone looking for practical experience and career growth. Thank you, DEP.